Hello everyone, this is Santana Davis, Managing Director of J. Davis Pro Sound and Lighting. We are basically into rental of professional sound, lights, video and trussing based out of Bangalore, India. We've been in this business for past 38 years and we personally being in this business for past 20 years now. Well, talking about WWT, that is Women Walk Together, this is a wonderful initiative started by Rachel, who's spearheading along with other countries like South Africa, Brazil, UK and Guinea. She's also helping me how to bring this movement into India. So basically, I am taken up this responsibility of spearheading WWT in India. As J. Davis Pro Sound Lighting, we were honored to host the first ever Women Walk Together on 18th of July 2018. We had an amazing response from women across the country, and I was personally surprised with the number of inquiries came from women who wanted to be a part of the Women Walk Together in India. The Women Walk Together had a great vibe. Right from the start, there was a buzz across the country. People were curious to know what this event was all about, and so we started educating a lot of people about what Women Walk Together was all about. This was to encourage women to get into the technical aspects of event. So that was a core idea behind this event. So we formed an amazing team of women who, right from sound, lights to video, there was women sound engineer, there was women lighting, there was a woman who was handling the lighting, and also a women handling video. So all aspects of the technicals was covered by women, along with the women who were completely handling the backstage management, the stage and the artist. So we had an amazing team who was completely responsible in handling this event in Bangalore. Well, the event comprised of motivational speakers, panel discussions, lightning speakers, and loads of artists who performed that night. It was an event filled with fun and entertainment, but at the same time, it gave a lot of insight for women to why they have to be in this industry. Well, the Women Walk Together initiative has started on a right note. Now we should see how we can take this further efficiently and effectively to make it more successful in India. So we have planned out a few things which needs to be done so that more women would approach and come towards taking up this initiative and taking up this as a career. What is needed most for Women Walk Together to be successful in India or the other parts of the world is to encourage women to come into this field, bring an awareness to them, to show them what this event industry is all about. So because right now there's a lack of awareness where women does not know what actually an event production is all about. So that falls on us as a responsibility to publicize about events. So we already have a page of Women Walk Together. So we as J. Davis Pro Sound Lighting are already publishing about what events we're doing, right from festivals, concerts, corporate events, to the smallest of the events, so where they can be a part of it, learn from the scratch till the end. So this becomes more interesting for them to take this as a career. Most of the women still don't know that they can make a career in this field, but this is very lucrative in terms of making this as a passion and as a career as well, where they could earn some good money in this industry. So I would definitely try and see as J. Davis Pro Sound Lighting how we can move forward and ensure that more and more women will know about this industry. That's what we have taken up. As I mentioned, we've already started publicizing about our events. Few of them naming is we did Bryan Adams, we did Above and Beyond, we did NH7 music festivals, and also a lot of corporate events where women are getting to know that they can be a part of this events, and they're really enjoying being a part of this event as well. We also need to have vocational trainings and a workshop for women where they can educate themselves and to know more about this event industry as such. My dream for the future is my two daughters set an example in leading this campaign of Women Walk Together, and also to show the difference that women can also work in this field.